Hello, I'm in a 2014 Honda CR-V, and today I'm going to show you how to reset your TPMS sensors. So let's say you've got the indicator on your dash. I think it's normally right there, lit up. It would look like this symbol on your dash if you need to reset them. So first, obviously address what's going on with your tires. If they're like low on air, for example, you want to refill them, drive them for a minute. Make sure they're the right graded pressure. Usually it's somewhere between like 34 psi to 40 psi. It'll say on the wheel, also on the door frame. You're gonna see for suggested here as well. I like to go off of the tires on the car, but whatever your preference is for that. But this would be your button to reset it. So again, after your tires are checked so that they're proper air, you'll just press and hold this. Sometimes it takes a few tries. You might have to turn the car on and off a few times, but just pressing and hold that should be all you have to do to reset your TPMS sensors. But that's it. I hope this was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.